Yes, hello everybody. This is Simon Peter, and I'm glad to see all of you. For those of you who are watching this video, I'm going to be talking about Roy Club. Now, this video is basically going to be enlightening you about something that is so unique within the Roy Club. And there is a program within the Roy Club that I'm going to be talking about. So yeah, first of all, welcome guys. Roy Club is an awesome community. It's a community that is there to to be able to provide for people a passive income for us, for our families, and for those closest to us. So that kind of stability that everyone is looking for. Something that you can be able to earn that can be able to cater for the basics of needs, the simplest of needs, that like sugar, water, utilities, your mortgage, your housing, and all that. Just the basics, so that you can focus more on different things. But that is not exactly what I'm here to talk about. So I'm here to tell you guys that you can work from home where you are. Yes, where you are, and get a substantial amount of money from the Roy Club community through the program called the Roy Bounty Program. Now, the Roy Bounty Program has been running to help those who probably don't have enough capital to be able to start out the investment, and Roy Club has put it up so that people can be able to get something out of it, and also be able to join the investment community and be able to earn something from that. So I'm going to be telling you how you as an individual can be able to work from home and get paid. Yeah. So trust me guys, it's really not that hard. It's just you have your computer or your phone, and you have access to the internet. That is about it. That is all you need. Besides probably having some accounts to some of the social media that I'm going to be basically looking at. So you're already asking how, Simon, how, get straight to the point. I mean, how can we work from home? Want to be able to get that little money that is coming, right? Yeah. So I'm getting there right now. So at the Roy Bounty Program, we have a number of tasks that you perform in order to get a certain amount of money for those tasks that you perform. Basically, we're doing promotion of the Roy Club. Yeah, basically we're doing promotion of the Roy Club. And by the way, guys, just for the purposes of this video, today is February 16th, 2020. This is in GMT time, and yeah, that was just for the moderators of this video. So by the way, guys, this video is part of the tasks that I'm doing, to earn something. So basically, we're creating this kind of awareness, and from that promotion, we get paid. So now, like from this video, I'm recording a video of about 6 minutes, and we get paid for the videos that we post, and each minute is about $0.4. So if you record a full video of about 6 minutes, that will be 0.4 times 6, which is $2.4. So when you record a 6-minute video basically talking about Roy Club and what it entails, then you are able to get that $2.4 for that particular video. Yeah. So guys, after here, I just encourage you guys to like and comment below how we can get you set up within the Roy Bounty Program, so that you can begin participating with us and being able to earn something. So we have the video tasks just like this one that I'm doing. So basically, you make your video, and then you're required to post on the different social media. So we have YouTube, we have Facebook, and we have Instagram. So once you are done posting your video, you copy the link and you paste it within the form, for submission. You paste the links within the form for submission. Then finally, you attach your Telegram username and then you submit. So this is how they track who you are, and then this is how they check your tasks and make sure you followed the what? You followed the rules, because within the form we have conditions of what the videos should look like, the amount of time they should take, and all those other things. You will be able to get to read all this. Then we have the sort photo section. There is not much difference. Well, for the photos, basically we create our own photos and just brand it with Roy Club, and then we post them and write comments, attach comments to them. So in the same way, you also come after posting your photo, you come and attach the links here for the moderators to be able to approve your task. Then we have the comments. Now for this case here, it's the same thing. You follow the links and you comment on all those links where they have requested. You just follow the instructions. After you have commented on Facebook, basically Instagram and YouTube, those are the main social platforms that we are using. And then finally, when you have filled all your spaces, and then you just click submit like this, and yeah, that one is submitted, So we have so many others. So let me just show you a sample. So this is my Facebook page, and 5 hours ago I just posted a photo. You can see I just branded it. I put Roy Club, and you have to put the date. Then you just write something about it, and then you have to write a comment about Roy Club and attach the hashtag. So that is an example of a photo task. Then you can also see this is an example of a video task about 7 hours ago, and then you just write something about Roy Club and attach the hashtag and your video, and basically that's it. So yeah, so that is basically how you do it, and these tasks are valued, and then you are paid according to whether your tasks are right or not. Okay, so and yeah, this is for YouTube. When I go to my channel, you can be able to see the tasks that I've been doing, right? And yeah, so some of the tasks which I've been uploading, and yeah, that's basically about it. That is how you can earn. So guys, if you are willing to join this program and be able to earn something, just send me a comment on this video, and I'll be able to link you up. I'll be able to get you set up, and you can start earning something at the end of the month. We're paid at the end of every month, and can really be substantial. You can earn between $200 to $300 if you're really serious about what you're doing, and I believe it's truly awesome. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for listening. Work from home and earn substantial amount of income. Otherwise, thank you guys. See you next time.